Hello viewers, this is Car Studio. Thank you very much for all those who subscribed to my channel the last time. Hope last time the tutorial was useful. Yeah, please just click on the subscribe button. Also click on the notification bell for more tutorials, and you guys will be the first people to watch my new tutorials. So thank you very much if you've done this. Today's tutorial is going to teach you how to get unlimited internet on your mobile phone and how to make unlimited calls on your mobile phone. Yeah, today we'll be having a brief tutorial on how to get that. But first of all, I really want to appreciate YouTube for the chance and for the platform for me to share these ideas. YouTube, I give a 5-star. So let's go. First of all, you need to have your SIM cards. So we have various SIM cards, and you can see various SIM cards with their various partitions. You can see this one has a different style of partition, and this one too has a different style of partition. But basically they all have 6 partitions, and these 6 partitions have their particular rules, in which some may be for the time, some may be also for the credit and calls of cost in which you'll be using. So anytime you make a call, there's one partition that controls your calls and your internet access. So basically every partition here has its function. But before this tutorial, before we commence, I would like everybody to have 6 of this card. So maybe if you have this one, this type, if you have this type, you need to have 6 of them. And let me show you a different type too. If you also have this type 2, you need to have 6 of them. And the last one is this one. So if you have this one, you can have 6 partitions on this one. So we need to have 6 cards. And from all these SIM cards, you can see they have different partitions on them. So basically what we are going to do today is going to teach you how to get this unlimited access to your internet and to your calls. So first of all, we need to scoop off this surface, which looks like the iron surface, looks like this silver coated surface off. So when we're able to remove this silver coated surface, we can have our chance of getting limited internet access and calls for free. So first of all, you need to scoop off this metallic surface. So you can see as I'm scooping, so you gently scoop off this place. But please, we need to do this one for the 6 different cards. So you can do one here, do this for different cards. So first of all, you need to scoop off this one away. To scoop off this one vigorously. So we scoop it off, scoop. And so finally you can see that. So you can see that the shiny silver coated has been removed. So it leaves some I don't know whether this is brown. Yeah, so I can see this the copper surface. So it's left with the copper surface. So as you can see, it looks brownish. So that's the copper surface. So you do this for 6 different cards. So with one thing I'm telling about the 6 different cards is the 6 different cards will give you an assurance of which side controls this call charges, so and internet charges. So we need to do this for 6 different cards. So you take one partition for one card, a different card, 6 of them. So basically this is what we need to have. So so if you have one card, so we need to have 6 cards. Then you have one partition, another 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 one partition. So this has your 6 different cards. So one may give you the correct one. It may be this, it may be that, maybe that. So you need to do this for 6 different cards. So you can take this card, 6 of them, this card to 6 of them. So please, if this tutorial was useful, please subscribe to my channel and also hit on the notification bell for new videos, and you guys will be the first people to have a view of that. So thank you. God bless you.